Imagine being stranded alone in the vast Atlantic Ocean. No food. No water. No hope. For 76 days. This is the incredible story of Stephen Callahan. In 1982, Stephen Callahan was a 29-year-old sailor. He dreamed of sailing solo across the Atlantic. Finally, in January 1982, he set off on his adventure. Just 3 days into his journey, disaster struck. His boat, the Napoleon Solo, was pierced by a whale. In seconds, she sank. Stephen was alone, adrift in the ocean. With minimal supplies, he had to think quickly. His life depended on staying calm and resourceful. First, he inflated his life raft. It became his home for the next 2.5 months. Next, Stephen focused on collecting rainwater. He fashioned a makeshift rain collection system using plastic. This provided essential hydration. Finding Each meal was a tiny victory against starvation. To survive, he needed to protect himself from the sun. Stephen used portions of his raft's materials for shelter. He managed to avoid severe sunburn and dehydration. The ocean's daily rhythms became his life. He learned to read waves and tides. As each day passed, he grew to understand his surroundings better. The isolation was mentally challenging. He kept a journal of his experiences. After 76 long days, Stephen spotted a passing ship. Writing became his companion, preserving his thoughts and hopes. With his last strength, he signaled for help. Miraculously, he was rescued. Stephen Callahan's story is a testament to human resilience. Against all odds, he survived one of life's greatest challenges. Remember to stay adaptable and resourceful in tough situations. If you'd like to learn more